ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Rub your hands, keep it in your eyes, your forehead, your head. Namaskar everyone. Chalo, give me your attendance, okay everyone? I am muting everyone, okay? Kindly give your attendance in the chat box. Am I audible everyone? Am I audible? Okay? Okay, I am unmuting, sorry, I am muting you all. Kindly give your attendance in the chat box, okay? Attendance check box.
Muted.
Druhi. Druhi, Kawadia. Thank you, Druhi. ध्यानी, ध्यानी, बेटा रुको अभी कृषि, let me tell the names first, then give me yes or no, okay? ध्यानी बद्राकिया, ध्यानी बद्राकिया, it's देव बद्राकिया और ध्यानी. निक जेटलोजा, निक जेटलोजा, thank you निक. चारवी सनारिया, चारवी सनारिया. ओके ओके ध्यानी, ठीक है, थैंक यू चारवी, थैंक यू बच्चा. ट्विशा, ट्विशा, आर यू देयर बच्चा? ट्विशा, यस, नो. ईशान, ईशान, थैंक यू ट्विशा. ईशान कुंदारिया, ईशान कुंदारिया, ईशान आर यू देयर बच्चा? विवियान, विवियान. Okay, I have done your attendance, no problem. ध्यानी, I have done, yes. इसलिए आपको बोला गया है कि kindly save the names with students' name, right? आपका लग गया present, don't worry ध्यानी. ईशान, विवियान, विवियान, are you there बच्चा? विवियान. रुशित, रुशित ममता बहन, thank you रुशित. कायरा, कृषि, कृषि, thank you कृषि. Don't make these type of emojis कृषि, this is not good emoji बच्चा. Say yes or no, okay? कायरा जेट्रोजा, कायरा जेट्रोजा, कायरा not there, yes there, thank you कायरा. पुष्पेंद्रा, पुष्पेंद्रा वगादिया, पुष्पेंद्र. निहान, निहान, थैंक यू निहान. हितार्थ, हितार्थ, थैंक यू हितार्थ। मनन, श्रेयसिया, थैंक यू मनन। नीव मनिक, नीव मनिक। दिव्या भोरानिया, दिव्या भोरानिया, दिव्या भोरानिया। अंश सरादवा, अंश सरादवा, थैंक यू दिव्या। अंश। कृशलिबा जडेजा, कृशलिबा जडेजा। मितवा, थैंक यू कृशलिबा। मितवा, मितवा, मितवा। अयान पटेल, थैंक यू मितवा। अयान पटेल, काइंडली राइट फास्ट, ओके। अयान पटेल, थैंक यू अयान। प्रांशु पटेल, प्रांशु पटेल, प्रांशु, थैंक यू प्रांशु। श्रावी पटेल, शार्वी पटेल, शार्वी पटेल, आर यू देयर बच्चा? शार्वी। आरिफा, थैंक यू आरिफा। आरुषि, आरुषि कंसागरा। शार्वी बावरवा, वेट, शार्वी बावरवा, ओके। दिस इज नॉट शार्वी पटेल, राइट? शार्वी बावरवा, ठीक है, ओके। बावरवा, ओके। आरुषि, थैंक यू बच्चा। शिवांश पटेल, शिवांश, थैंक यू बच्चा। ध्यय, ध्यय, थैंक यू ध्यय, थैंक यू बच्चा, थैंक यू। देवयानिबा, देवयानिबा, देवयानिबा गोहेल, आर यू देयर बच्चा? प्रथम, प्रथम, थैंक यू प्रथम। देवांश थोरिया, देवांश थोरिया, देवांश। रुद्र पारिक, रुद्र पारिक, थैंक यू रुद्र। एवरीबडी डन? सबका नाम आ गया? रुशित बोरानिया, रुशित, रुशित आर यू देयर बच्चा? थैंक यू बच्चा, थैंक यू सो मच। सो एवरीवन, सबका नाम आ गया? नीव मानिक, आई हैव डन बच्चा। आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया था, मैंने आपका प्रेजेंट कर दिया। ध्वनि कोथरा दिया, ओके, एक सेकेंड। आप नए हो क्या बच्चा? ध्वनि, थैंक यू। अभी नहीं देखूंगी बच्चा, वीडियो ऑफ है, रुको अभी। यस, कल ही ज्वाइन किया, ओके फाइन, बिकॉज आपका अभी तक नाम नहीं था ना। थैंक यू सो मच ध्वनि। ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी डन? सबका नाम आ गया बच्चों? से यस और नो। कोई रहा, बस वो लिखो जिसका नाम नहीं आया। काइंडली राइट डाउन द स्टूडेंट जिसका नाम नहीं आया, ओके। ओके फाइन, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज क्लास। बताओ हमने लास्ट क्लास में क्या क्या किया था? What we have done in our last class? Who will tell me? कौन बताएगा? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स एवरीवन। चारवी बताइए क्या किया हमने। Who will tell me? Vowels, yes. Consonants, yes. हमने अपने आप को प्रेजेंट किया। Have we done our activity to introduce ourselves? Yes or no? Myself किया। हमने पेयर बना के किया एक्टिविटी। Wait, let me unmute one of them. नहीं किया ना। आज हम लोग एक्टिविटी करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन पेयर्स। हमने लास्ट क्लास में क्या किया था? वी हैव अंडरस्टूड कि हमें अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है किसी के सामने, राइट? आज मैं पेयर बनाऊंगी। आई विल अनम्यूट टू स्टूडेंट्स एट अ टाइम। आप दोनों एक दूसरे से बात करोगे, ओके? डन एवरीवन? And your conversation will be start with hi, hello, like that. Okay? Then everyone say yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. So today we are going to start this activity. Kindly cooperate, okay? जब जिसका turn आएगा, kindly talk to each other. Fine? So let's get started. I am unmuting you all, not all, two students at a time. Okay, pay attention here. First is Arifa, Barmal and Arushi. You have to talk to each other. I am unmuting you both. Let's start, bachcho. Arifa, kindly unmute yourself. And Arushi, you both have to talk to each other. Start, bachche. Good morning. Talk to each other, Arifa and Arushi. You have to ask with Arifa.
Hi, Arifa. Arushi. I'm fine, Arifa. What are you doing?
She is studying, bacha. You have to ask how old are you, where are you from, what is your school's name, what is your favorite, who is your favorite teacher, like that.
My school name is New Era Global.
Good.
School.
How old are you, like that.
7.
No, you have to ask with each other, bacha. You have to ask this question with each other. Okay? Now talk.
आवाज नहीं आ रही। What is your favorite
Arifa, why your voice is not coming, bacha? Arifa.
Arifa तो बोले थे। My favorite
Arushi. Good.
आपका फेवरेट टॉय क्या है?
नहीं, you have to talk in English. You have to talk in English, bacha.
My favorite toy.
Okay. Done. Communication हो गया आप लोगों का। Speak, bacha. What is your mother's name?
It's Bharmai.
Okay.
What is your father's name? My father's name is Rahul.
Good. Very good
What is
attempt.
your father's name? What?
Okay, let's finish it off. Thank you for your participation, बच्चों. दोनों के लिए clapping कीजिए सभी लोग. Thank you, Arifa. Thank you, Arushi. Let's give another chance. Okay. Bye bye. I will be giving only 1 minute. You have to talk to each other within 1 minute. Okay? Don't take much time, बच्चा. सबका turn आना है ना, इसलिए. Ayan Patel and Ansh Saradwa. Get ready, बच्चा. Ayan Patel and Ansh Saradwa. I have unmuted you both. Ayan, kindly unmute yourself and talk to each other, bacha.
Yes. I am.
No, you have to speak with Ansh, bacha. Yeah. You have to say hi, Ansh. Like that.
Hi, Ansh. My name is Ryan Patel. 6 years old.
नहीं, he is not asking. जब वो पूछेंगे तब आपको जवाब देना है. How old are you? तब आप बोलोगे, ठीक है?
6 years. What is your name?
Ansh, बच्चा, say something.
उसको push. What is your mother name?
What is your mother name? What is that? What is your
Ansh,
father's name?
Wait, Ansh, why you are not speaking, bacha? You are busy in eating something, huh? Talk to Ayan, bacha. Talk. Otherwise, I am giving another chance to different students, no? Talk fast.
Hi, मेरी आवाज
नहीं देती.
He is busy in eating. Okay, thank you, Ayan. You have done very good work. Ansh is busy in eating something. Okay, thank you. Everyone clap for Ayan and Ansh. Next, I'm giving chance to Charvi and Ishan. Sorry, Ishan again left. Charvi and Dhruhi. Get ready, Charvi and Dhruhi. Okay, talk to each other, bacha. Charvi and Dhruhi. आप दोनों को एक दूसरे की आवाज आ रही है, चारवी एंड ध्रुही? Yes or no? Okay, then talk बच्चे. Where is Dhruhi? Dhruhi, talk बच्चा. Where are you? सबका टर्न आएगा कायरा. वेट बच्चा, वेट करो. सबका टर्न आएगा. जिसका आज नहीं आएगा उसका कल आएगा. सबका आएगा टर्न. डोंट वरी. Dhruhi, start बच्चे. Okay, now start your conversation with Charvi.
My name is
No. You, Druhi, you have to say hi. She's saying hi. No, you have to answer her with hi. Hi, Charvi. How are you? Like that. What is your name? Good name. है ना? ऐसे. चलो start. Start your communication. I mean conversation. ध्रुही,
Yes.
आप कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे? आवाज नहीं आ रही आपको चारवी की? बोलिए, आपको आवाज आ रही है चारवी की? Charvi saying hi Druhi, good morning. How are you? She is speaking. She is saying like that. Answer कीजिए उनको. Druhi, are you able to hear बच्चा? आपको आवाज आ रही है सबकी? ध्रुही, आपको आवाज आ रही है चारवी की?
Yes.
तो why you are not answering बच्चा? You have to answer her, right? Talk to her. Ask something. नहीं आ रही है? अभी तो वो बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं. आप बोलो कुछ. You ask something with Charvi. She might be not getting your voice, Charvi, बच्चा. Are you getting Druhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not speaking? She is asking you, how are you, Druhi? Druhi is not there. I'm wait. चारवी, आपको मैं किसी और से बात करवाती हूँ. ध्रुही की आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है. ध्यानी, गेट रेडी बच्चा. टॉक टू चारवी.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyani, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Talk to Charvi. Get start.
Hello. Hi, Charvi. Good morning. What is your name? Okay. In which standard you can? And also
How old are you? Ask them. How old are you? Your father's name, your mother's name, like that.
Charvi parents. How old? I am 7 years old.
Very good.
What?
बच्चे आवाज नहीं आई चारवी. Dhyani, she is asking your school name.
My school name is Global Nivera Global School.
Very good. You also ask a few questions, then we will winding up. Dhyani, you also ask something.
What is your school name? What is your birthday?
नहीं. What is your birth date? Like that.
Yes. What is your birthday?
2nd September. Charvi, 2nd September. Good. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you. Everybody clap for them. They have done very good job. Chalo. I am unmuting another kid. Okay. Thank you, both of you, bacha. Dhyani and Dhyay. Get ready. Another Dhyani. Badrakia Dhyani. Right? Dhyani Badrakia.
Okay, ma'am.
And Dhyay. Dhyay Vagadia. You both have to talk to each other, right? Get ready. Start your communication with while saying hi, hello, like that.
Hi, bol. Hi, kito. Who is your favorite teacher?
Who is your favorite?
Where are you, Dhyani? Dhyani Badraki, are you here? Kindly speak, bacha.
Yes.
Okay, talk.
Madam, yeah. What?
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Dhyay. What is your mother name?
Number? Mommy, number card.
Good. How old are you?
How old are you?
You have to ask him. How old are you, Dhyani? Like that.
I am 7 years old.
Good. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? You can ask.
Madhuri ma'am.
Good. You have to ask each other, bacha. I am not asking you. You have to ask each other.
What is your favorite food or toy?
Your favorite toy?
Barbie.
Wow.
Barbie. Okay. और आपको बात करनी है?
Yes.
What is your
तो
favorite
जल्दी करिए
What
finish.
is your favorite
color?
Red.
Very good.
Red.
What is your name?
अरे नेम तो हो गया ना बच्चा, बार बार नेम पूछोगे. Let's sum up with you guys. Everybody clap for them. Thank you for your participation, Bacha, Dhyani and Dhyay. Let's give another chance to two different kids. Thank you both of you. Clap for them, everyone. Another chance. I mean, Divya and Hitarth. Get ready, Bacha. It's your turn now. Divya and Hitarth. Get ready. Start your communication. I mean, start your conversation with hi and hello. And you have only 1 minute. You have to talk to each and everything in 1 minute. That is enough. Okay? Hitarth, unmute yourself, Bacha. Hitarth, unmute yourself from there.
Hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is Hitarth.
Good.
What school name?
What is your school's name? बताइए. आवाज नहीं आ रही आपको?
What is your school name?
Divya, you're not getting him. आवाज आ रही है उनकी? Good.
मैंने बोला.
Divya, your voice is not coming, bacha. Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Talk, बच्चे. Talk fast. We have to give chances to different students, no? जल्दी से finish कीजिए. Ask anything, जो भी आपके मन में आ रहा है. Just ask, okay?
What is your first name? What is your favorite teacher?
Who is your favorite teacher? Who? क्या बोलोगे? Who is your favorite teacher? Say, ask like this. Who is your favorite teacher? Like this. Ask. Hitarth or Divya? Ask like this, bacha.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Yes. Hitarth, where are you?
Hitarth, where are you?
अच्छा Hitarth, wait. Hitarth, talk, बच्चा. Hitarth. Divya is asking, who is your favorite teacher? Kindly answer.
Who is your favorite teacher? Harsha ma'am.
Thank you. आप लोगों की बात हो गई. और बात करनी है आपको? I'm giving you half minute more. एक क्वेश्चन और पूछो जल्दी से.
What is your name?
अरे नेम हो गया बच्चा. अब नेम के आगे बढ़ो. How old are you? Just ask how old are you, like that.
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Nissan.
Okay. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you so much. Everybody clap for them. Thank you for your participation, Divya and Hitarth. Let's move to Krishi and Krushaliba. Krishi and Krushaliba, get ready, bacha, both of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. नहीं, आप दोनों को एक दूसरे से बात करनी है. Krishi and Krushaliba, okay? Say hi. Start your conversation with hi.
Hi. Hi. What is your favorite toy? My toy is Barbie. Ma.
I like to play with Barbie, like that. ऐसे बोलो Krushaliba, I like to play with Barbie.
I like to play Barbie. What is your father's name? My mother's name is Bhumiba.
Very good. You also ask something, Krushaliba.
Yes, ma'am.
आप भी कुछ पूछो बच्चा कृषि से. How old are you? Just ask. How old are you, Krishi?
How old are you?
How
Hello.
old are you?
How old are you? 7 years.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher? Ask like this. Which school do you study?
At school you study. Nuvera Global School.
Tell her your favorite teacher, Krishi.
Madhuri ma'am.
You also ask Krishi. कुछ पूछो.
What is your mother's name?
उन्होंने बता दिया मदर्स नेम. आप स्कूल नेम पूछो. In which school do you study?
Which school you study? School Nuvera Global School.
Very good.
What is your favorite activity? Math.
हो गया आप दोनों की बात. Let's move to another student. Thank you both of you. Thank you Krishi and Krushaliba. Kindly clap for them, everyone. Thank you for your participation, बच्चे. Thank you.
Thank you.
Another. Welcome. Another student will Kyra and Manan. Kyra Jetroja and Manan Shreya. Get ready. Kyra and Manan, kindly communicate with each other. You have only 1 minute, okay?
Okay. My name is Manan. What is your name? What is your name? What is your school name? Nuvera Global.
Good.
What is your hobby?
Good.
What is your hobby? Where are you hobby? Where are you live? My name is Netruja.
Talk fast.
How old are you?
Good. Kaira, how old are you? He's asking.
6 years old.
Very good. You also ask something. Last question. Then we will move to another student. Ask last question with Manan. Ask बच्चे. Kaira.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask last question with Manan.
What is your favorite teacher?
Who is your favorite teacher? Who?
Maths
Who is your favorite teacher? Maths teacher. Maths teacher. Okay, thank you both of you. Thank you for your participation. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's give
Bye.
chance
Bye.
to bye. Let's give chance to another two kids. Right?
Okay.
Get ready, Mitwa and Neve Manik. Neve Manik and
Mommy, I activities કરાવી મેમે. I activities કરાવી મારો આનંદ આવ્યો મારો. Hi,
Mitwa and Neve Manik. Talk to each other, bacha. Both of you.
Hi,
Neve, are you there?
वॉशरूम गया है.
Okay, no problem. तब तक हम लोग निक जेटलोजा. You talk, बच्चा. Nick, kindly unmute yourself. Mitwa and Nick.
Hi,
Nick, are you there? Nick is also not here. Okay. Let's go to Nihan. Nihan, talk to Mitwa. Mitwa, talk to Nihan. Yes. Talk, bachche. Nihan, unmute yourself.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
आगे.
I am fine. What is name? Crucial.
Wait, Krushalibha का तो turn आ गया. I am talking about Nick. Nick, where are you, बच्चा? Sorry, Nihan, where are you? Kindly unmute yourself and talk to Mitwa. Nihan, am I audible? Nihan, I don't know where is Nihan. Pranshu, are you here? If you are here, say yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Pranshu. Mitwa, talk to
Hello.
Pranshu.
Hi, yes, Hi, Miss. How are you? I am fine. How are you all?
How old are you? How old are you? Yeah.
I am 6 years old.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your mother's name? What is your father's name? Ask each other, बच्चा. Without hesitation बात करो.
What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name?
Pranshu, your mother's name, बच्चा. She's asking your mother's name. What is your hobbies? She's asking.
Lego.
You both are last kids. बाकी जो बच गए हैं उनका कल टर्न आएगा, ठीक है? Kindly talk fast, both of you.
What do you like to play? How old?
How old are you? How old are you? Mitwa, ask him how old are you?
मैम लिखना कभी
नहीं, आज बस एक्टिविटी है.
ओके मैम.
आप दोनों का हो गया. Thank you so much, Mitwa and Pranshu. Give a round of applause to these kids. Who is speaking? Don't speak, बच्चा.
Muted.
So this is all about today. आज हमारे पास कितने बच्चों का टर्न आया? 8 पेयर्स का आया, मतलब 16 बच्चों का हमारे पास आज टर्न आया. रिमेनिंग बच्चों का कल होगा. ओके, सो डोंट गेट डिसहार्टेंड. जिन्होंने प्रयास किया उसके लिए अप्रिसिएशन, उसके लिए बहुत सारा क्लैपिंग एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन. हमें हेजिटेशन नहीं करना है. हमें जब भी हम किसी से मिले हम आराम से कम्युनिकेट कर पाए, राइट? दिस शुड बी आवर गोल. इस वजह से ये एक्टिविटी हो रही है, सो दैट यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ with another student or with stranger or with whom you meet, right? This is all about today. You have to be like confident while talking, okay? डरना नहीं है, hesitate भी नहीं करना है, okay? So there will be no homework for today. Only one thing you have to do is page number 15. You have to make a poster like this one. You have to make a poster on this in A4 size sheet, okay? You have to make a poster in A4 size sheet. Okay, बच्चा? Done everyone? This will be your homework. That's it. और हम लोग कल क्या करेंगे? रिमेनिंग बच्चों का इंट्रोडक्शन होगा and अगर टाइम बचेगा then we will move forward. Okay? So sit straight everyone. Let's pray for the humankind, for their well-being, for their happiness. Get ready. Sit straight. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. Rub your hands. Keep it in your eyes and forehead. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for today's class. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Tata. Namaskar everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.